This program will introduce you to quickflex welding cable and UL quickflex tinned welding cable, the most widely used cable for industrial and commercial equipment. Both quickflex welding cable and UL quickflex welding cable are made with fine stranded copper wire, resulting in the highest conductivity rating in the industrial and commercial markets. UL quickflex welding cable is plated for added corrosion resistance. Both are insulated with a durable synthetic rubber and boast an impressive rating of 600 volts. Quickflex welding cable and UL quickflex tinned welding cable have the highest temperature ratings in the industry but vary slightly from each other. Quickflex has a temperature rating of -50 to 105 degrees centigrade. UL quickflex welding cable has a temperature rating of -65 to 125 degrees centigrade. The insulation on the quickflex and UL quickflex offers excellent flame resistance and withstands abrasions, salt, and chemicals. As demonstrated, the jacketing will burn in direct flame but is easily extinguished when the flame is removed. Because of its design, the quickflex line of cable is more flexible than standard cable, especially in cold temperatures, making it easier to route in tight spaces. Quickflex welding cable comes in a variety of gauges, from 6 gauge to 250 MCM. UL quickflex tinned welding cable is available from 6 gauge to 4/0. Both quickflex and UL quickflex can be used in conjunction with all quick cable connectors, including straight clamps, elbows, flags, and lugs. All quickflex welding cable meets AWG specifications, a standardized wire system used in the United States and other countries to measure diameters of electrical wire. UL quickflex tinned welding cable also meets UL 3284 and CSA CL 1254 specifications. Quickflex welding cable is available in black and red. UL quickflex welding cable is available in black. For more information on quickflex cable, visit related sites on quickhowto.com.